Hello, and welcome to the Frank Lee Silicon Valley Results team. We are excited to share our coming soon listing in the highly desirable zip code of 95148 in San Jose, California. Come, let's take a tour of the beautiful home at 4157 Horizon Court, San Jose, 95148. Immaculate and impeccable condition. Shows like a model. This east-facing Shapell home is located in the heart of Silicon Valley, a global center for numerous world-class high-tech companies. The Evergreen School District, where the home is located, is consistently rated as one of the highest-performing school districts in California. The home features a well-designed open floor plan with abundant natural light, 3 beds/3 baths, and 2,147 square feet of living space with 1 bedroom and 1 full bath on the main floor. It has a gourmet kitchen with a large center island, granite countertops, and full backsplash. The home has upgraded hardwood flooring and new carpet throughout. The backyard is an entertainer's dream with flagstone slabs, and the 2-car garage has epoxy flooring. The home is located in a sought-after Evergreen cul-de-sac location, walking distance to top-rated schools, Carolyn Clark Elementary, Quimby Oak Middle, and Evergreen High, parks, farmers market, and public library. Private. Text to Frank at 408-828-0600 for any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.